friends, welcome to Chiklu Muklu Times. So today we are learning letter L. How to write letter L, L का phonetic sound, L के objects. ठीक है? Start. This is capital L. L का phonetic क्या होता है? L. L. And this is small L. L का phonetic sound क्या होता है? L. L, L, lion. L, L, lion. L, L, lollipop. L, L, lollipop. See? L, L, lamb. L, L, lamb. How to write letter L? Standing line, then sleeping line. Standing line, 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 sleeping line. This is letter L. This is letter L. Hope you all like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.